Hello everyone, how are you? I hope everyone doing great and I am also doing great. By the way, today I'm gonna share my thoughts as well as I try to keep practicing a little bit English day by day. So let's start. First of all, thank you for give me your important time. Actually, I'm just try to making a video for myself as often as I can. When I was reached this place, then I feel wonderful because this place wind feels really amazing as well as the bird singing a song over the tree. In my village, each time most of the peoples are very busy because we were try to making money and I'm also looking forward any kind of job as soon as possible. If I had any job, then I must be working, but I couldn't find any kind of job each time. That's why I feel very awful. To be honest, if I never give up for myself, then I hope I will be as if for my dream as soon as possible. I don't know most of the people say, why are you don't take any kind of job. I think when you are a student in the village, it's a having a hard time for you because this village most of the peoples are really bad as you are a student. However, you don't talk about for bad people, then you keep silent and you will be never give up for your dream, then you continues should be working, then you will be becoming as if for your dream. Furthermore, it's such a sunny day. This day atmosphere is really amazing, as well as I'm also very happy because I have no exam today, but tomorrow I will have a exam. Then in the evening time I am also focusing in my study. So that's all pity about me. Thank you everyone for your patience and hurry. Catch you later.